Like much of the world, the UK has got used to grim statistics, but behind each of these 150,000 love hearts was a life with a family left behind. Fran Hall's husband Steve died last October, just 3 weeks after their wedding.
And he became ill the day after we got married and was taken to hospital a week later, and sadly they couldn't save him. But I was really lucky. I was able to be with him when he died.
Victims' families want answers about how the virus started and what was done to stop it. Earlier this year, the World Health Organization sent a team to Wuhan to investigate the possible origins of the pandemic. The joint WHO-China study has now been published and concludes the virus was probably transmitted from bats to humans via another animal. A lab leak was found to be extremely unlikely, but nothing has been ruled out completely.
We've left it on the table, and if more evidence comes forward, fine, it needs to be followed up.
In a joint statement, Australia and more than a dozen other countries voiced their shared concerns that the study was significantly delayed and lacked access to complete original data and samples. They want a second phase investigation by experts that's free from interference.
Yes, there are more things perhaps that we might have been given, but in general terms, they gave us a lot of data that the world hasn't seen before.
It's hard to grasp just how many lives have been destroyed by this pandemic. Of course, the death toll is just part of the story. While the international community is still struggling to contain this outbreak, there are doubts about its ability to contain the next. The UK is among the nations backing an international pandemic treaty to improve warning systems and share vaccines.
And we should be working together. We should be working across the globe together, but that's an ideal world. It's never going to happen.
Thousands, if not millions of lives could depend on it. Nick Dole, ABC News, London.